Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can just make karaoke song of any music. So you have to just download the music on your folder. I mean, you have to download the music file, the MP3 file or whatever it is, and you have to just come on the app Moises. Okay, so just download the app from App Store or Google Play Store and create an account with your Gmail or Facebook account. You can sign in with anyone with any account, and to make the song karaoke, you have to just add and let's select the file from app. I have currently it in my download folder, and let's select the music. Okay, so submit. As you can see, it's uploading, and let's check the final feedback. So let's you have to just wait 2 to 3 minutes to complete the full processing time, and it may take more or few minutes depending on the music file size actually. Okay. It's done. Well, karaoke. It's done. Let's check it from files. This is the karaoke track. Here's the full music without the. Here's the full music without the voice. I mean, we have successfully made the karaoke song.